press box. But before we do this, anybody have any questions? Yes, front row. For her?
Wow.
Oh!
¿Sí o no? What you say?
Yeah! So any other questions? All right, guys, grab your last pictures from up here. What we're going to do now is head up to the press box. We're going to give you guys arguably a better view of Fenway Park. You can follow me back this way.
Okay, there's some planning. Hey, saluden.
¡Felicidades!